Hello students, let's talk about speaking today. 我哋今日嚟睇下究竟咧說話入邊應該有啲咩可以係做得更加好嘅地方喎。第一樣嘢 number one, listen to one question word。我哋嚟睇一睇咧，究竟第一樣嘅招數啦。第一招叫做聽一個字，就係 question word。咁 question word 有好多種嘅問題字眼，就例如呢一個句子啦。How old are you? I am blah 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 years old。咁你會聽得到係 how old 嘅時候就會問歲數。咁你只要聆聽到呢一個嘅字眼，你就可以掌握到你答問題嘅方向。當然仲有好多其他嘅 question words 啦。咁好多時候咧都會咧去問你一啲資料性嘅嘢咧，係 WH 字頭㗎。For example, we can hear the word when。when 係有關係嗰個嘅時間啦。who 人物啦，或者問你兩樣嘢之間你要揀邊樣嘢 which， 甚或係邊個㗎 whose， 邊個㗎呢樣嘢 how 係如何㗎啦，可能問你個感覺啦 how are you， 或者係 what 問你係一啲嘅資料乜嘢啦，什麼 why 咁你答佢原因啦 because blah 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 where 喺邊度啦，可能要用啲 in 啊 on 啊或者 at 嘅地方啦，咁呢啲字眼都係 WH 字頭嘅。咁當然仲有好多啦，世界上嘅 question words， 但係你要小心聽清楚咧，就成功咗第一大步啦。第二招 number two, answer 2 to 3 questions under 2 to 3 sentences。咁其實咧，呢一個係一個説話啦，咁大家又唔需要話太過緊張嘅。平時嘅説話就係好嘅訓練啦。無論呢一個係計唔計分嘅地方都好，你都同自己講，平時我哋都學習表達句子，表達更加多有關自己想表達嘅説話嘅話，咁就應該要用多啲句子嘅。咁所以咧，例如個簡單嘅問題就例如係你覺得 Chiikawa 係點樣嘅咧 ？What do you think about Chiikawa？ 咁喺你嘅腦入邊咧，即刻可能彈2-3個字眼出嚟。我諗到啦，佢咩色嘅咧？我白色嘅。佢係大粒定細粒嘅咧？我細粒嘅。佢多唔多人中意咧？我多人中意嘅。咁其實已經好足夠做到2至3個句子噶啦，唔需要多。字眼上簡單，你直接表達到就 OK。咁然後再慢慢去砌一個句子出嚟，可以好簡單嘅句子嚟嘅喎。例如啦，多黎 A 夢就可以幫下你啦。例如佢諗到嘅字就係 big eyes， 大眼睛，白色 white，comes from Japan。佢係嚟自日本嘅。佢好多人中意㗎，因為佢好得意，佢好細粒 small and cute。佢令到好多人都好開心 make people happy。咁可能係哆啦 A 夢嘅話咧，佢就會答啦。Chiikawa has big eyes. It is white. It comes from Japan. I like it because it is small and cute. It can make people happy。咁其實咧，簡簡單單已經講到 Chiikawa 好多嘅嘢。咁如果你話唔係喎，嗰一刻咧，我未諗到咁多句句子，唔緊要嘅，試下咧講一句，俾1秒自己去停一停，再諗下一句。甚或者你可以咧，一開始嘅時候咧，係慢慢放慢嘅速度去講，唔需要太急嘅答句子嘅時候。Just slow down yourself。The third one is to answer yes/no questions。咁有時候咧，有啲字眼係叫你答是非題嘅話咧，咁你可以點樣去再拼湊多啲咧？又例如有啲同學仔咧，佢會淨係答 yes or no 就算嘅。咁但係當然啦，如果你見到呢個題目 Do you go to school on Saturday？ 咁問你你星期六要唔要返學啊？咁如果你淨係答要啊定係唔要啊，咁樣其實好快答完，咁就展露唔到晒你嘅才能啦。咁或者你可以諗啦，我可以用一啲因為啊、所以啊、但是啊，或者和嘅意思 because so but 乜乜乜 and 去表達你個句子，咁你就會講得更加多嘅資料，或者表達得更加好俾老師聽。例如你可以話 Yes, because I have violin class on Saturday。係啊，我要返啊，因為咧我星期六有一個小提琴班。My violin is my friend。我嘅小提琴就係我嘅朋友，所以我好開心。So I am glad。咁除咗呢個同學仔講到因為之外咧，仲講到多一啲有關小提琴嘅嘢啦。咁係同星期六嘅活動有關，甚至乎講到一啲感受。When you think about feelings, it is very good to expand your sentence。 咁如果同學仔你會記得到多啲嘅感覺嘅詞語，例如開心啊、唔開心嗰啲字啊，或者有其他嘅意思你可以表達到嘅話咧，分分鐘都可以令到你嘅句子表達更加好嘅。Number 4, if you forget what the teacher said, it's okay. Just say, pardon please, or just say, please say that again, please. 咁當然啦，有禮貌咁樣同老師講翻，或者同對方講翻一次話，唔好意思啊，可唔可以再重複多一次啊？咁相信咧，對方會好願意去接受，亦都會同你再講多次嘅。Pardon please, please say that again. You can just say pardon, pardon. 或者 please say that again。第5啦，就係避免去講 I don't know。咁如果你可以講到1隻字、2隻字都好，唔緊要，欣賞你嘅嘗試 ，don't give up。Number 6, give yourself some time to think。咁如果你話可以嘅話咧，俾多自己少少時間去諗會係好事嚟嘅。例如唔係太肯定，咁你第一句子咧，你可以先講咗 Let me think， 等我諗下先。咁通常咧，你諗咗1至2秒之後咧，或者有多啲諗頭，咁你就會講得順暢啲啦。咁就唔使咁緊張啦。或者你可以用 I think 或者 I guess， 我覺得係乜咧，咁你由呢2個字或者3個字咧，慢慢咧去褪到少少時間俾自己諗到下一句嘅句子，會更加好㗎。So I hope that you can do it. You can do it. Try your best. 好好去享受同人哋去分享表達意見嘅樂趣啦。無論呢一個係一個計分定係唔計分嘅環節，人生之中總有好多時間要去勇敢去表達自己嘅言語。咁所以咧，去學懂去講多啲自己嘅説話，想講嘅説話咧，我相信人哋會願意聆聽你嘅説話嘅。加油啊！拜拜。